Namaste students, welcome to our EVS class. In the previous class we learnt about fuels like petrol, diesel and CNG and why we should save the fuel. What are the ways to save fuel that we have learnt, and in today's class we are going to learn about the traffic jam. What is a traffic jam? What are the reasons for the traffic jam and how we can avoid these traffic jams? What are the ways to avoid traffic jams? Right on the screen you can see the picture of a road in which all the vehicles are stuck here. Okay, so let's move on and learn more. Today we will learn about the traffic jams and why they happen, and the meaning of the word traffic: all vehicles that are on the road at a given time. Traffic jam: when several vehicles get stuck on the road, that is called as traffic jam. Right, now let us watch this video.
When vehicles are stuck on roads, it leads to a traffic jam. There are many reasons behind traffic jams on roads. Heavy rains, too many vehicles on roads, breaking of traffic rules, accidents, and construction work lead to traffic jams. We can build flyovers, reduce the number of vehicles on roads, and use public transport to control traffic jams.
How does a traffic jam affect people? So, roads get crowded, a lot of vehicles on the road create chaos. This makes people uncomfortable. Yes, when we are on the road and we have to reach a school or office or go to someone's place, and if the vehicles get stuck on the road and if we are unable to move, that is really bad. So, what can we do? People are unable to reach schools, offices, and other places on time. Why do you think traffic jams happen? When vehicles are stuck on roads, it results in traffic jams. There are many reasons for it. Sometimes it is because of bad road conditions like potholes, accidents in the middle of a busy road, or heavy rains. What are potholes? When the roads are in a very bad condition, right? When there are holes on the road, then the vehicles might get stuck in the potholes, right? And when there are accidents, all the vehicles around the scene they stop there and the vehicles get stuck on the road. Or if there are heavy rains, like the water gets deposited in some place, it settles down and the vehicles can't move from that place. So these are some reasons for the traffic jams. Sometimes it is because of ongoing construction work on roads, as well as the breaking of traffic rules by the people who try to cross or overtake them others. We see that when people are building flyovers on the roads, okay, they put one board that construction going on, please take another way. So they obstruct such construction work, it obstructs the free moving of the vehicles. And sometimes people, when they break the traffic rules, it also causes traffic jams. Sometimes it is because of the absence of traffic lights or traffic police officers to guide the vehicles. Yes, see, not all the roads have these traffic signals or traffic police to help them to move freely. So, if there are roads with heavy vehicles, too many vehicles, and there are no traffic signals or traffic police to divert them, that also leads to traffic jam. Here is a word web which you should copy in your notebook. The reasons for a traffic jam, starting from the top: accidents are a reason for the traffic jam, And people not following traffic rules, that is another reason. If there is construction work going on the road, then that is also the third reason. Crowd on the road. What is crowd on the road? If there are too many vehicles on the road, there is not enough space for the vehicles to move. So these are the four reasons for the traffic jam. Now let's move on. How can we avoid traffic jams? We should always follow traffic rules. We can divert traffic when there is construction work going on. We can build more roads and flyovers. Yes, flyovers are very helpful, right? We can divert the traffic to take another road. Now, all of us, let us open our workbook, put today's date. Take the picture which shows a traffic jam. Picture A, here the road is full of vehicles and right here we can see the roads have very less vehicles. So picture A we should tick because it shows the traffic jam. Please tick picture A the box. Now look at the picture. Second question, what is shown in the picture? We can see that the truck driver is honking at the vehicles again and again. So this is what we see. Question B, how can it cause a traffic jam? Right, when people are not following the traffic rules, then it causes a traffic jam. And question C, write two more causes of traffic jams. Two more causes of traffic jams, accidents, or construction work going on. Okay. Then question 3, suggest 2 ways by which we can avoid traffic jams. Okay. So using public transport, right? Following traffic rules. These are 2 ways. Using public transport is one way, and following the traffic rules, okay, they avoid traffic jams. So now let's move on and open our content book. Practice questions. Tick the option that describes a traffic jam. Two options are given. Which situation will lead to a traffic jam? You should tell. Okay, you are going to tick that option. Vehicles stuck on the road. Vehicles not moving at a red light. Which situation causes traffic jam? See, all the vehicles, they stop at red light. It is following the traffic rules. That is good and fine. But option A, vehicles stuck on the road, will lead to traffic jam. Second question, read about the conditions in 2 cities on 10th June 2020. Which city would have experienced traffic jams on 10th June? Give a reason for your answer. Okay, on the date 10th June 2020, 2 cities are there. Let us observe the situation and let us decide which city might have had traffic jam. Okay, city A, there is heavy rainfall but no standing water on the busy roads. City B, there is heavy rainfall and a lot of standing water on the busy roads. So we can tick the city B, because in city B, when there is heavy rainfall, the water was standing on the roads. So when the water is standing on the roads, then the vehicles can't move easily. So this will lead to the traffic jam. You can write this reason. Third question, suggest 3 ways in which we can avoid traffic jams. Point number 1, using public transport. Point number 2, reduce vehicles on the road. Point number 3, build more roads and flyovers. So, this was the lesson about traffic jams. Read the lesson from the content book twice, underline new words, copy the word web in the notebook, complete your worksheet as well as the practice questions. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.